We're cooking small eggs, very small. This is a native egg, very small, really small. Just like that. Paso lang be, kaya kuha na noon eh.
Okay.
Karira kay daghang kayo gusto si mama. Saba ba kay video ko. Oh, guriti be oh. Kay magano ko. Continue ra. Continue ra ha. Wow, this is very cute egg from the native chicken. This is the egg.
Ay itlog ha.
Yes, very cute, no? Very cute. Ay, gunitin sabi kay idungan no ni imo kapit. Very cute eggs. Oy! I almost dropped it. Oh, wait ha, because we have no more coconut oil. Tayo. Little bit far. Yeah. Oh. Hey, look, Faith. Take a video mo eh. Ay. Very fresh eggs. These are just only like been laid for like 3 days now, and we got the 2 eggs because we have no more food.
Yuta oy.
Get kay no? Katutulo ato tay boiled. Kato siya boiled ha.
Oh, dangan kay itlog ma.
Tulo ra ka buok man.
Lagi duha and tulo.
Iki nyo na. Kani tagsamon yun ni Faith ha.
O kana imo dako.
Kari awa katong kuan, kay big naman ko.
Ma.
Ayaw ni, ayaw na. Kari nyo. Uwat sa. O pa maluto.
Tunga mi anak ma ha.
Yes. Wait.
O anak. Natapot.
Tapot.
Ipuo na to. Mintinon.
Luto naman.
Kani na ho. Kani kapit-pit.
Yes. Very cute, no?
Very cute.
It's not easy.
Ayun.
That's why I love the native eggs, because native chicken eggs, because it's really like cute. The yellow is very firm, very circle.
Ang yellow mo. Dili makuan. Dili mangani. Dili mapitsa.
Hindi, ang lamig kayong yellow sa...
Nandako kaayo eh.
Ayaw ba? Parihara man na.
Nandako kaayo ma.
Parihara lagi na. Baga man eh, kana ni Pes. Saba. Wow. Saba. Kay... Na inyo, udah ko kay gilo inyo, oh. Oh, tunga man eh.
Wow, mura heart.
Mura heart, no?
Oh, pira heart.
Heart. Looks like heart now. Heart now. Heart now. Heart shape. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, kuha na yung plato, be.
Okay.
That's all for now. Okay, give me your plate. Here should be one for you. One for you. One for Ate Janela. Okay? Share. Okay.
Ay, gamay malaluto ni Faith ma.
Ang ba't niya? Oh,
Kana na ho dako may gamay kay luto ni Faith.
Parihara na, oy.
Bukas mano.
Hindi, tagaan po na ako si ate na ako. Sige, bye-bye. Your rice is very small. Why very small? Sabi. Okay. Time to eat now. And we are just very sad because we just buried our cat. We have no more cat now. From now on, we have no more cat. Let's just pray that we can find a little kitten from the neighbors. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.